Planning a trip to Vietnam, but worried about your visa getting rejected at the last minute? One tiny typo or a blurry photo can lead to a stressful morning at the boarding gate. To ensure a smooth entry, you need to navigate the official portal with precision. Before you even start, prepare 2 digital files, a clear passport scan, and a portrait photo with a white background and no glasses. A common mistake is uploading files that are too large. Keeping them under 1 megabyte prevents the system from timing out and ensures your documents are legible for processing. When filling out the form, pay close attention to the middle name trap. Many applications are sent back because travelers omit their middle names. The safest way is to mirror the machine-readable zone at the bottom of your passport exactly. If your middle name appears there, include it in the given name field. Accuracy here reduces the chance of your application being marked for amendment. Next, be extremely careful with your entry point. Vietnam has dozens of checkpoints, but your visa is legally tied to the specific one you select. If you apply for a land border but try to fly into a major airport instead, you will likely be denied boarding. Since the fees are non-refundable, $25 for single entry and $50 for multiple, double-checking your arrival gate is essential. While processing usually takes a few business days, it is wise to apply at least 10 days before your flight to account for any delays. Once you pay, save your registration code immediately. Email confirmations can be delayed, and that code is your only way to track your status manually. By following these steps, you can focus on your adventure instead of paperwork.